Hello again. Hope you're fine, dear lovely IELTS candidates. Well, today we're going to work on academic reading and we're going to learn how to answer flowcharts type of question. All right, first let's take a look at a sample question of flowchart and let's see what type of question it is. So as you can see here, this is a kind of flowchart. And you should remember something that flowcharts are mostly in order. And you should assume that it goes in order. For example, if question number 33 is in paragraph 2, the answer for question number 34 is maybe in paragraph 2 or maybe in the third paragraph. So it's mostly in order. And this question is formed from only 1 to 2 sentences in the reading passage. And the correct answer will connect to the words before or after the blank line, all right? And it is similar to fill in the blank and diagram questions. As you remember, we worked on these types of questions before, fill in the blank and also diagram questions. You can find in our previous videos, we worked on some question types of reading. And it describes a process or sequence of events from beginning to end. And you must be able to scan the passage and understand synonym language in order to answer correctly this type of question. And you should also remember that there are 2 types of, questions. The first one is you complete the flowchart using words from the box, all right? So you pick an answer from the options in a box. And the second type is you complete the flowchart writing a word. And in that case, for example, you can write 1 word or 2 words or maybe, for example, 3 words, all right? So these are 2 types of questions in flowcharts. And I give you a basic strategy to answer this type of question. First, you underline or you circle keywords. All right, for example, what are keywords like names or numbers or places in the questions? And the next step is to identify the easy questions to do them first. All right, so you can mark them with a check. That, for example, this is the easy question, so I do it first. How do we know that this question is easy? By finding the keywords. So when there are very specific keywords, we know that answering this type of question is pretty easy. So we do them first. And then we scan the passage to find keywords and synonyms, all right? And we mark keywords in the matching sentence. The next step is to find the words that connect to the words before or after the blank line. And the last step is to write the question number next to the matching sentence in the passage. This is our basic strategy. All right, now here we're going to work on a sample flowchart question. First, let's take a look at this question here. The first thing is you pay attention to how many words you can write. And here, as you can see, no more than 3 words, so we can write up to 3 words for each question. And the title is very important, all right? So it can be, it is actually a useful keyword. The production process, this is the keyword, right? This is the title. So we should write the stages of the production process. And after that, there is 1 line. The newspaper is compiled at the editorial headquarters by the journalists. Remember something. The word like newspaper, it's not a very useful keyword. Why? Because this is a kind of repetitive keyword. So you may see newspaper in the text a lot. So this type of keyword is not very useful. So we forget about this keyword, right? Maybe editorial headquarters and journalists, maybe they can somehow be good keywords. Next one, the final version of the text is to the printing center. So the text is, and also to the word before and after the blank is connecting words. So they are important. And final version is our keyword here. So the final version of the text is to the printing center. So we can somehow guess. So we should write verb. For example, is delivered to the printing center or is, let's say, sent to the printing center. So there is something that is related to sending the text to the printing center. And the next question is the pages are converted into. This convert is important because convert is a verb that we can find the synonym word for it in the text, okay? So the pages are converted into. This is our two questions. These are the two questions here. So we should find, let's say, the correct answer. Now, once we find the keywords, all right, it's pretty easy for us to locate that keyword in the text. Now, what I mean by that, for example, for question number 1, the final version is our keyword. Okay, so we look for something related to final version of the text. And in paragraph B, just right at the beginning of the paragraph, we find the word finished newspaper. So finished newspaper is the synonym word for final version. Okay, so once we find this keyword, we 90% know that the answer is here in maybe in this sentence or the next sentence. So we read this sentence very carefully. Once the finished newspaper has been created for the next morning's edition, all the pages, so this all the pages is the same as text, which is the word before the blank. All the pages are transmitted electronically from the pre-press center to the printing center. So you see that printing center is exactly the word itself is repeated here. So we are pretty sure that this is the correct answer. Transmitted electronically. All right, this is the correct answer for number 1. That was pretty easy. Now let's jump to our next question. The question was the pages are converted into blank. Now we should look for a word, a verb, which is the same as convert. So we're pretty sure that the word convert is not used in the text. So we should look for the synonym word, okay? So this is a scanning that we read very quickly in order to find the word that is the synonym word for convert. And again, in the same paragraph, in paragraph B, at the end of the paragraph, we find a word processed into. The pages are then processed into. Okay, so processed into is the same as convert into. Means they're changed into something else. So the pages are processed into. Again, you can see that here into is also repeated. In the question, we have converted into, and in the text, there is processed into. So processed into what? Photographic negatives. And the film is used to produce aluminum printing plates ready for the presses. Okay, so it is processed into photographic negatives. And as you can see here, the sentence is almost the same, except for the word process. For example, in the question, the pages are converted into, and in the text, the pages are then processed into. So you can see that the structure of the sentence is the same. And it's pretty easy for us to find the correct answer, photographic negatives. All right, this is the type of, let's say, flowchart question. And as you can see, it's pretty easy for us to locate the answer because keywords would actually do the trick, and it's pretty easy for us. Once we find the keywords, and it's pretty easy for us to find the correct answer. All right, for our next episode, for our next video, I'm going to work on summary type of question, and we'll learn how to answer this question type in IELTS academic rating. So until next time, enjoy your time, stay tuned, and bye-bye.